Hello guys, welcome back to Cryptogenics. Today we are talking about the upward momentum of Bitcoin and Ethereum, also some altcoins. So currently Bitcoin is at 44,000 level. Bitcoin is up 8% in 7 days, followed by Ethereum. Ethereum is up 12%. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to Cryptogenics yet, please go and hit that subscribe button, turn that into gray, and be a part of Cryptogenics community. You can also like the video if you find anything helpful in this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends or family that is in crypto. You guys have subscribed, so let's start the video. SEC could approve Bitcoin ETF, that is a spot ETF, as early as 2023. Damn. So SEC was denying Bitcoin ETFs, spot ETFs. We can see that SEC have approved different futures ETFs, but SEC did not approve a spot Bitcoin ETFs after numerous tries and after numerous applications. So it can be a revolutionary if a spot Bitcoin ETF hits into the market as early as 2023. It could produce a bullish momentum in terms of a price action of cryptocurrencies. So let's see what this news says. So ETF analyst James Seifert and Eric Balchunas has said that SEC could change the regulatory framework that is written for crypto exchanges, and it can change the definition of exchange proposed in January. So that could after the definition of crypto exchange will be changed, any type of securities that is available for trading or buying, including cryptocurrencies. So that would make SEC to forcibly approve a spot Bitcoin ETF, as SEC was denying Bitcoin ETFs due to this particular reason. So it is very important to change the definition of exchanges in terms of regulatory framework of SEC. So after that we can see that SEC's primary reason for denying spot Bitcoin ETFs will no longer be valid, likely clearing the way for approval. We can clearly see that after the regulatory framework will be edited or the definition of exchanges will be changed, we can definitely see a spot Bitcoin ETF in 2023 which will produce in terms of Bitcoin or in terms of crypto. Another news that is coming into the market is Grayscale launches smart contract funds for Ethereum competitors. These funds do not include Ethereum, as it is a smart contract platform that is already funded by Grayscale in high value. Currently Grayscale is focusing on funding of different competitors of Ethereum like ADA, Solana, AVAX, Polkadot, Matic. So Grayscale Investments has unveiled a new cryptocurrency fund dedicated to smart contract platforms excluding Ethereum. So they have excluded Ethereum, and they have invested funds into Ethereum competitors like Cardano, Solana, and Avalanche. We can see that these smart contract platforms are very high in terms of transaction per second and also a high throughput capacity. Ethereum's dominance as the premier smart contract platform is being challenged by competitors that claim to offer superior transaction speeds, lower costs, and a higher throughput capacity. We can see that AVAX, Cardano, Solana has higher throughput capacity and superior transaction speeds compared to Ethereum, but Ethereum is more into deflationary part. So keep an eye on this altcoins, as it can perform very well compared to Ethereum, as they are in a growing stage. We can see that Grayscale by far is the world's largest digital asset manager with over 36 billion in assets under management as of March 2022. That is a very huge number in terms of asset management or a company that manages assets. Let me know in the comments if you hold any of these altcoins such as Cardano, Solana, or AVAX. Personally, I am I'm heavily invested in top four, that is Cardano, Solana, AVAX, and Polkadot. I have a very huge position in Bitcoin, but also I have diversified my portfolio. In terms of technical analysis, Bitcoin is currently at a resistance level, and we can see that it was rejected two times. So we can see that it was rejected on 5th of March from 45,000 level, then it dumped hard. It is currently again regaining its position back to 45,000 level. So we have to keep an eye on this level, as we can see that it was rejected very heavily from this range, but we cannot say anything, as it could be broken into a support, as Bitcoin could move like that in the near future. I have made this trend line, and Bitcoin is currently following this trend line. It could go upwards or downwards. It could go like that if the trend line is broken. This was a technical analysis from my side. Also, on the weekly chart, we can see that currently Bitcoin is at 1.618 level of fib retracement. We have extended this fib retracement from the 2020 lows to 2022 highs, and we can see that Bitcoin is at 0.618 level. So if this breaks, it could be a very bullish indication in terms of Bitcoin price. We can then see an upward movement to 60,000 and to 69,000. And make sure to like the video, as it reaches to number of people. Also, let me know in the comments if you hold any of these cryptos like Cardano, Solana, and what is your maximum allocation of any altcoin, such as if you have maximum allocation in Bitcoin, or if you have maximum allocation in Ethereum. Do let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions regarding to cryptocurrencies, do let me know in the comment section. I will very happy to answer all of your questions and also all of your comments. Thank you so much. We will meet in the new video. Till then, bye.